Welcome to my cooking channel Moparna's Gourmet. Today I am here with another new recipe, so keep watching without skipping. If you are bored of the same old chicken curry recipe, you can dig into some unique and flavorsome milky and cheesy chicken butter masala at home. It is said that butter chicken was invented by Kundan Lal Gujral of the famous Moti Mahal chain of restaurants, who added leftover cooked tandoori chicken to a tomato gravy in an attempt to use it, and the dish, which is called Murg Makhani on their menu, became famous. So today I have prepared the famous chicken butter masala but with a unique touch to it. I recommend using boneless chicken for this recipe as the meat is lean and very tender. So chop the chicken pieces into small bite-sized cubes so that they stay juicy right to the end. Marinate the chicken with all the spices as shown. Marinating chicken helps to make it soft and tasty, and also make sure there is no excess water in the chicken. Mix it well and set this aside for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can refrigerate it overnight if you have time. Now chop the veggies into small cubes. The combination of capsicum in a butter masala gravy is a must try as it tastes extremely flavorful. Tomatoes and onions form the curry base for the butter masala. So we need 2 medium-sized tomatoes and onions. Roughly chop them. We need to make a puree of them later on. Then heat the pan with butter and saute the onions till they turn translucent or slightly pink, just for the raw smell to go off. Onions are used to naturally sweeten the gravy and also to help balance the tang from the tomatoes. Add the tomatoes and sprinkle some salt, as adding salt raises the boiling point and cooks the food much faster. Cook until they turn soft and mushy. Before making the puree, cool the mixture, because if the food inside your blender is hot and you put a lid on top, the steam can cause the pressure to build up and the lid may pop off. Add it to the blender and make a smooth puree. This is the onion tomato base for the chicken butter masala. Heat the same pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add the marinated chicken to the pan, covering as much hot surface as possible, and fry on high so that the moisture oozes out. Searing the chicken pieces on high can give the chicken a charred look. Cook for about 3 minutes and gently flip the chicken over to cook the other side. Then remove the pieces for later use. Keep them covered to remain hot. Heat the pan with butter and add the whole spices. Saute for a minute or two till the spices begin to sizzle. Add the cubed capsicum and stir fry on low flame for about 15 minutes till they are 70% cooked. Rest of the cooking will be done in the gravy. Next, add the puree and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry until the raw smell goes off and moisture from the gravy evaporates and oil starts to leave from the gravy. Add all the spices as shown, then mix and cook for a minute. Then we need 1 cup of cashew paste. Cashew gives a mild sweet and milky flavor to the butter masala. So do not skip them. You can always substitute them with some other seeds of your choice or almonds. When the gravy thickens, add 1 cup of milk. I have used milk as it makes the gravy even more creamy. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup as it gives a mild sweetness and balances the sourness from tomatoes. Cover and cook on a medium flame until the gravy turns thick and flavorful. Make sure the gravy reaches the desired consistency and then add the sauteed chicken pieces. Simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes till it becomes tender. Mix and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then pour half cup of water and mix well. Bring it to a gravy consistency. Later on you can adjust water as per your preference. Simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes more. Stir well on a low flame. Cook covered for 10 minutes. Check the salt and spices and adjust as needed. Lastly, take 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi in your palm. Crush it between both your palms to enhance its flavor and aroma. Then add it to the butter masala. Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves is an essential ingredient in butter chicken as it adds an extra earthy flavor at the end of the cooking process and takes the dish up to a whole different level. Add 1 tablespoon of butter for letting it melt through the sauce before serving. Then garnish with chilled cream and some cheese to make it more creamy and rich. Your milky cheesy butter chicken masala is ready to be served. Serve with long grain rice, naan or paratha. The soft chicken pieces dunked in this creamy, silky and delicious curry just melts in your mouth. Must give it a try and enjoy. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.